Alright guys, this is part two. I went back out. I was soaked up past my waist. I don't have any waders, so I was in my jeans and boots and went in. Freezing. After a while your legs get numb and you don't know any better. Here's the junk. Not too much junk. I know it looks like a lot, but it's really not too bad. And now I couldn't see most of the time, so I don't know what all I got. But this thing's just loaded, and I'm sure it's all wheat pennies, or most of them are. I'm hoping there's some silver in there. And I'm going to go through it, and I'll be back shortly. Alright guys, I'm back again, and let's see, the cat decided to sit down. So, let me show you the clad first. This is, over here, this is from earlier today. This is this pile right here is all wheat pennies. There's 56 of them. Right here's my silver, 5 silvers earlier, some clad, knife. Now, here's the clad I got tonight. That's it. 2 pennies. That's the clad I got. And now here's the wheat pennies I got tonight. Unbelievable. Jeez, oh Pete's cat. So, look at them all. It's unbelievable. 77 wheat pennies. Not one piece of silver. Now I left Signal, so I had to quit because my pinpointer on my AT Pro stuck. It was just I was caked in mud. There was seaweed all over and all that stuff. I mean, it's waterproof and stuff. There was nothing wrong there, but it just stuck and was all caked in sand, and I was a little worried until I got home. I put it in the shower, and now it's working fine. But yeah. So 56 earlier, 77. Part 2 tonight. And that makes 133 wheat pennies in a day. It's amazing. Definitely my best. Going through these, I got a few older ones this time. And the older ones, it seems like are kind of a shinier, really weird, almost gold. Look at that. Let's see if I can get this to focus. I think this one's 1919. Beautiful. Now, I did get a steel penny tonight, too. It was caked in, see that black stuff right there? I thought it had been burned in a fire. But as I'm getting that charcoal stuff, I use a little nail file, chip off that stuff, and then some of the top coating of the actual penny came off. But I can actually see the date is 1943, so it's a steel penny. I don't think I've ever got one of those, at least in one piece. What's left of it. Alright. That one's a 26. I get a few S's in here too. So I don't know why a couple of them are gold and shiny like that, and the others are not. And then some are just covered in sand. It's quite a hodgepodge. I know it's not a recent drop. I mean, nobody just took a bunch of wheat pennies and threw them in there. I mean, look at the dimes. They've been in there a long time. But and this isn't all in. It's not a cache or anything, or cache, or whatever you call it. And these were spread out in about 30 yards. So that's it. All right, thanks.